Hi guys, this is Tina from DL48 and welcome back to our channel. So as you already know by the title that today I'm going to show you some of my personal favorite comfortable looks. And trust me guys, if you are someone who don't like wearing skin fit clothes, then you are watching the right video.
This first look is for my tomboy girls gang. Sometimes we don't want to layering up our clothes, so this look will definitely gonna help you on those days. Black basic long tee is every girl's favorite. You just need to pair it up with a cool printed jacket and just grab your favorite shoes, and yes, you are ready to rock. Coming on the second look, I'm wearing a denim skirt with a black loose t-shirt and paired it up with a waist bag and white sneakers. This look is one of my favorite because denim is something which never goes out of trend. Also, this is the basic attire that everyone must have in the wardrobe. Also, for cute comfy look, I have tied half of my hair in a bun, and yes, my look is ready to rock. So for the third look, I'm wearing jeans with a black basic crop top, giving this look a little statement with a black belt so that it hugs the waist nicely. Also, I'm a person who loves wearing wristwatches. Watches makes your look more classic, and for giving this look a street style touch, I'm pairing it up with the black cat eye shades. And now finally I'm completing my look with a nice printed jacket, and there you go. La la la, sporty check. I'm sure most of you love wearing sweatpants or joggers at home, so this look is for you all. I'm wearing a black sweatpant with a nice hoodie t-shirt and tucked it inside to make this look more stylish. Also, I've tied all my hair in a messy bun and just pull out some hair from the front to give it a proper messy bun look. You can also add a denim jacket over it if you want to wear this in your college. And this is my personal favorite look. Believe me guys, my wardrobe is full of oversized shirts and the printed ones are my favorite for summer look. So in this look, I'm wearing a black bralette and have layered it up with an oversized floral shirt. And for the bottom, I'm wearing a white flare denim. You can also make a knot in your shirt and just drop it off from one shoulder. That's what I personally do. Because if you're wearing something loose on the bottom, wear something fitted on the top. And also, I have paired it up with black wedges. This look is perfect for all the college going girls. So I've named this look Easy Breezy. Maxi dresses are so much in trend nowadays. Summers are all about vibrant colors and comfortable wear. I've paired it up with sneakers so that it looks more casual. Also, you can add some cute accessories with this like I did. This cute pink bracelet is giving this look the perfect finishing. And I have tied my hair in a pony so that I can easily flaunt this dress. You can do any cute hairdo with this look according to your preference. So this final look is a go-to look. I love experimenting with oversized shirts. For this look, I've tucked the shirt from one side and dropped the collars of the shirt a little behind. Tied all my hair in a pony. Finally, I have completed this look with a black sequin backpack. I mostly prefer wearing this look whenever I go for a shopping or for my classes because I just want to be comfortable while walking.
Thank you for watching my video. Hope you have enjoyed it. Please comment down below which is your favorite look. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.